Today's another day. Happy Sunday, everybody. Hope you guys have a blessed day. Stay safe, stay focused, and stay positive, man. Believe in yourself and put yourself first. Have self-love, self-respect, and live with honor. No matter what, be you. You're blessed. Amen. You're gifted. To all my kings and queens out there, rule the world. It's all up to us. I want something just like. But yeah, I'm out here, fitted out though. Oh, I gotta stay fitted, man. Long hair, don't care type shit. Feel me? Stay out the way, man. There's a lot of bad things going on in this world. A lot of bad energy around this place. But as long as you have the power over your thoughts, nothing could bother you. Unbothered. Live life.